So earlier we have to be discussed about the cooperative society. Cooperative society is a society where the minimum 10 members are to be started, and there is no maximum limit to start the cooperative society. Before this, we have to be discuss about the merits of the cooperative society. So after that, we have to be discuss about the demerits of the cooperative society. The first is the limited capital. Cooperative organization is formed by the people who have limited resources, and there is no compulsion of contribution, some minimum amount of the capital to become a member. So cooperative organization always faces shortage of capital due to the low rate of return. While the rate of return is not much, so the peoples are hesitating to invest much capital, or the number of peoples are not want to involve this type of organization to their amount. So the limited capital resources are there to invest in the business. So the peoples are hesitating while they are involved in the cooperative society. Next is the insufficient management. While the different peoples are to be gathered there and they have different knowledge, they have different religions. So the cooperative organization is managed by its member only. Generally, all the activities are performed by the members only. These members are not professional. They are not professional. That's why they are not have a management efficiency to take the work, how to take the work with the others in the best and the efficient manner to perform the organization in the best manner. So there is an inefficiency in management is also there. So the next is the lack of secrecy, because the different peoples are involved from the different places. They have different backgrounds. Open discussion in the meeting, while whatever is in the organization, that decisions are to be taken openly while discuss the meeting by members. So it is difficult to maintain secrecy about operations of the cooperative society, because all the discussion are with the members. So the different members are from the different places. So the lack of secrecy is there in the cooperative society. The next is the excessive government control. While the government have the formation is very easy to government provide the several facility, but there are several blocks which are to be made by the government. So excessive government control is there. There is the excessive government regulation and control by the government. It is essentially for a cooperative organization to get its account auditing. So while the accounts are to be audited, the government peoples and the government auditors face a number of problems while making accounts in the cooperative society. The cooperative department and the submission the account with the registrar of the cooperative society. So it makes the problems in the members. The next is the different in opinion or conflicts among the members, because in a cooperative society there are several members. They are from the different backgrounds, they have different managerial skills, they have different opinion. So the members are from different sections of the society. They may have different opinion, and if any member follow rigid attitude, it can lead the conflict and dispute among the partners. So it's create the any conflict in the organization. So there is a difference in the opinion and the conflict among the peoples in the cooperative society. Thank you.